Hey guys, it's me, Megan. These are my Converse shoes. I wear them all the time. That's Brandon's douchebag car, and I'm just helping him film. So, basically, I'm the best friend ever, so, hey-oh.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5 away from 21. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 away from 21.
1, 2, 3, 4. This is 5 away from 21 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. We got the top there. We got this part.
And an outer. And that means these two will go here and this two will go there. These two are the inner. I should probably paint these brackets because these are probably rushed. Which way were they facing?
Couldn't tell you. No.
Mihoi, minoi, minoi. Okay. So we're gonna start by drilling a hole in the car. I'm gonna use a self-tapped screw because that's what I like. Go reel this up real good. Gotta get them professional goggles on first, girl. That's one. This is the other dot. That's two. I guess 3. Did you ever do this to a car?
Me?
Yeah.
No. Why are you so weird?
Dude, I was carrying this. By the way, this is a little fin air diverter canard thingy.
Sideways?
Exactly. This, if I eyeball it, that looks straight. We painted all the supplies, except for some of it, but we painted like half of it. Like all these brackets are painted. We didn't paint the plastic, that's already black. But this is all left just because I forgot it. Thanks, really quick. I hope this fits, yeah. How's it look?
Grand.
Nice. So, she's bring that back. How does that look?
Very crooked.
Very crooked?
Yes.
Are you sure? Oh yeah, you're right.
Yeah.
They said no, they don't like it. Alright, that one.
Does that one look straight, by the way, the one that's drilled in permanently now?
Oh no. Oh no.